skal stå I gåavstand til kirken din.
Okay, yeah, I know I'm making another video. It's not exactly a vlog video, but I just think it's so damn funny what I can do. Because it sounds like, I don't know what it sounds like. It can sound like a puppy, it can sound like a fucking bird, but it sounds fucking weird as fuck. And, yeah. Okay, it's really funny to do in front of a camera, at least in front of people. But, that's one example. And then the bird I keep copying is like, but yeah. So I make some fucking weird noises. But I think the high scream is the most funniest of them all. Hey! It's on this side. I hear it. Seriously? I can hear the echo actually. Yeah, okay. Sorry for being so weird. I just had to try. It's so funny. Okay? Well, bye.